Morning, everybody. So we're here in Salt Lake City, and the wife and I are heading over to Dollar General to go pick up a couple things. This is the shakedown. That's what they call this. The shakedown tour for us on the van. So we got a few things we got to go pick up, and we're gonna bring you along today. So yeah, we're gonna talk a little bit about some of the things we need to pick up and why it's always good to do a test run of your stuff before you go on big trips like this, instead of getting on the road and realizing, oh crap, I need that. So let's go get some stuff. I know we don't do test runs. That's what I'm saying. Why would you do test runs?
Don't be like us. Don't be like Kenny.
Really?
Don't be like Kenny. That's what I hear.
Man. This Dollar General back in the day, and I picked up a lot of stuff from here, so I know exactly where this one's at.
I was about to say back in the day,
Back in the day, like it's been a minute since I've been here.
It hasn't been that long.
Yeah, it has.
It's been less than a year.
It's been a minute.
But when you say back in the day, it just makes it sound like back in 1943.
Right. Getting new brick. It's getting a facelift, so it's really good. Let's see what we can go buy. Should have grabbed a cart. Morning.
FYI, folks, you probably really should clean the window before slapping the stick on it.
No.
Don't do it the Kenny way.
Just do it.
Well, bam. Look at that. Nobody comes on in front of us.
It's the little clock spring thing that they're talking about behind here.
End up with a damn airbag in your face. $80.
Probably not. You get out of a Dollar Tree for cheap? No. Yeah, see what I mean? Close enough. We're gonna make it work. And I got some double-sided sticky tape. I can stick it to the wall, so it don't go anywhere. So, cheapest stop of the day at what? $1.35.
Yep.
$1.35. That's all we wanted. It was a mirror, and we ended up spending $80 at Dollar General on a whole bunch of stuff, which, in our defense, we did need. So, when we leave, you should show them our little off-road adventure as we're leaving.
Eddie?
Can I get your sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit meal with a large Diet Dr. Pepper? Yeah, can I also get your sausage, egg, and cheese bagel? But can I get that with no cheese? I'm sorry, the steak, egg, and cheese bagel. Sorry.
That's okay.
With no cheese. Thing.
I don't know if we're going out that drive, though. We might have to go out the drive that we came in.
Either way, I'm going out one of them when it's off-roading. I do need to take this thing off-roading somewhere around here.
Probably not until you get the thingy fixed. The front.
I do need to get that fixed. Maybe I'll work on that tomorrow. Get the tie rod ends. And the thingy is the tie rod ends. So it's the outer tie rod ends that are... When we stopped in San Antonio, that's where I was talking about the Jeep. The guy showed me they're kind of a little bit loose, and it's kind of causing some play as far as the wheels. So when you're driving and you hit bumps, the wheels will try to go different ways like this. So they'll kind of shift left and right, either direction, away from each other. They should be pretty solid when you're going down that road. So when we drive, typically we would like hit a bump and it would kind of go all over the place. So I need to get the tie rod in, the outer tie rod ends changed. I'm probably going to change the sleeve with it, and even maybe the drag bar. Change all that in once we'll get an alignment done, and hopefully we should be good.
being in this thing reminds me of with that issue. And a gosh darn water slide that's bouncing off the walls that you can't control. You're just ping pong balling it.
Bing, bing, bing,
Yeah.
bing, 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 bing.
Back and forth, back and forth.
I think it's smaller than my other one. Honk at you.
Well, because and right there's the driveway. You almost pulled out and went the wrong way.
Well, I got this
Let's
all
stop at
messed up.
McDonald's, he says.
You
You said there's McDonald's.
Ooh.
Let's stop there.
No, I
You
said,
want that?
hey, McDonald's, let's stop. I'm gonna rewind that. Yeah.
Oh, the beauties of travel.
Hey, McDonald's, I know you want that. You and your damn McDonald's. Ugh. But you know something? They do got the bagels back. I'll give me a steak, egg, and no cheese. Nope.
Yes, you are going to rewind that. Because I believe your exact words were, oh, McDonald's, I know you want that. Let's go there.
Maybe. We'll rewind.
Nope.
My guess is I didn't get that wheel lined up just right. It's like you got this really nice apartment complex. You got the KOA, which is a really nice area, but then like some of these areas like around here, like not that great.